Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on how to search your messages in Telegram conversations on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer, or if you prefer, you can use Telegram Web by visiting the official website. Both options provide a seamless experience for accessing your chats. Once you're logged in, locate and open the specific conversation where you want to search for messages. Whether it's a one-on-one chat or a group discussion, finding past messages just got easier. Next, look for the search icon. This is typically represented by a magnifying glass and can usually be found at the top right corner of the chat window. Click on it to activate the search feature. Now, it's time to type in the message you're looking for. Be as specific as possible to narrow down your search results. As you type, Telegram will suggest messages that match your query, making it even simpler to find exactly what you need. Take a moment to glance through the suggested messages. Once you spot the one you were looking for, simply click on it, and Telegram will take you directly to that part of the conversation. Voila! You've successfully found your message in just a few clicks. And that's it for this quick tutorial. The new update makes it so much easier to revisit past conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy messaging!